Alright, hey, what's up? Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm Beauty by CC if you didn't know. Gang gang. So yeah, welcome back to another video. Today I have this look for you guys. I did this look before. Boom, slid some pictures in there. I said so many compliments, so many compliments. So I was like, okay girl, I guess I should film it and let my YouTube fam see it. So yeah, I got this look for you guys. So if you want to see how I did it, how I created it, then just keep on watching and we're gonna hop right into the video.
And I know in that highlight play that could only mean one thing, no. And I know in that highlight play that could only mean one thing. And I know in that highlight play. I've never had to like mimic my own makeup look. Yeah, it's gonna be weird trying to recreate my own look, but I got a super zoomed in picture. Boom. And we're just gonna go for it.
Gonna go into my Morphe 35O palette. And the eyebrow shade I used was this gold. Yeah. This top gold. I used that right in my eyebrow, so. We're going into the crease color. I'm gonna use my Morphe 35B palette. I'm gonna just tell you how I do it. I'm gonna go into my pink. Then I'm going to go into light purple, and then I'm going to go into this light brown. And while I am putting them on, I'm making sure the next color I blend a little bit of it into the first color. So when I put on pink, I'm going to put on, then I'm going to blend a little bit of the purple into the pink, and then a little bit of the blue into the purple, and vice versa. So let's get it. Alright. It's so weird like not doing both eyes at the same time, but I'm trying it because it takes hella long to do both eyes on camera. Trying to make the video shorter, so. But me talking this whole time is just like making it longer because I don't know how to stop talking. But I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn.
I'm trying to get every single drop out of this little thing because I'm tired of like spending $7 on this thing and then I never get the last few drops. Like you see these drops in here? I've never gotten down to this many drops. I think I'm gonna cut the top off and just like dip my brush in there. But then how would I keep it? Ooh, Ziploc bag. Smart.
But I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. And then I'll be back. Alright, so I cut my crease, and now what I'm doing, what you've probably been seeing me doing for a good like 2 minutes, is I just take the brush and I just dab the concealer so it won't be wet, it'll just be tacky, so my eyeliner will stick to, my eyeshadow will stick to it, but it won't be wet to where my eyeliner, I keep saying eyeliner, my eyeshadow won't stick to it, because if it's wet, your eyeshadow will not stick to it. But if it's like sticky, your eyeshadow will stick fine, just like it sticks to dry shit. I went into my JACLYN Hill and Morphe collab palette, and I'm going to take this middle, the top, I'm holding upside down, but the top It's on the top right side, but it's the middle shade, the like pinky gold shade. I'm gonna take that, but I'm gonna take this shade and put it right down on top of my concealer. Now I'm going to layer on top of that with this shade right here, right here, the furthest one to the right. Now I'm going to put a third color. I'm going to put this third color, boom, third from the end on the right. I'm going to put that only in where the pink is, the pink. What you do to one eye, you must do to the other. So I'm going to go do this eye off camera and I will be back for liner and lashes. Now I'm going to go into the e.l.f. liquid liner. I have not used this type of liner in so long, but I find it's better on thicker pigments, like when I put loose pigments on and when I put multiple layers on my eye, hence the 3 layers on my eye. Gonna put this on. Dries, I'm going to use the Maybelline The Rocket Mascara. I'm holding it all down here looking at myself like I know I can't see it. I'm going to use the Maybelline The Rocket Mascara and mascara these lashes, girl. I need to get another one because I'm running out. Now I'm going to put lashes on. And I used the Kiss 11 lashes in the original look, but gonna go in, like I said, with the AOA Studios NATALIA lashes. Alright guys, I finished with my lashes. I'm in love with these lashes, by the way. Girl, I don't love lots of lashes, but these lashes are a fave. So I will definitely repurchase them, just letting you know. I'll be right back with my full face on to do lips and highlights. Alright. Okay, sorry. Got my full face on. Now I'm gonna finish my eyes. So I'm gonna go back into the JACLYN Hill palette and take that color that I just went on the inner corner with, which is this color, top row, third from the right. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm gonna go back into the 35B palette. So I'm gonna take the pink. Where's the pink? Right there. Y'all can't tell. Boom, there's the pink. I'm gonna take the pink and I'm gonna take it and smoke it out on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna take the purple and I'm gonna put it right on top of that pink, but bring it not as low. Are watering like crazy. They always do when I touch my bottom. But I'm gonna go into that blue, as you could have assumed by now. I'm gonna take the blue and I'm just gonna put that right up on my lash line. Now we are going to highlight. I'm going to take the NYX First Base Primer Spray to moisten my face. I'm gonna take my MAC Soft and Gentle, the OG. Everybody's OG. I've heard about, everybody knows MAC Soft and Gentle. And I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. Bow, nose, and the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna go in with the lip. I think, okay, I love my lip combo, except the fact that it was matte, and I love gloss. I'm into glossy lips right now. So the lip combo is this Crayon Kohl. It's actually a eyeliner in coffee. I have no idea who the brand is, but just get a really dark brown, like dark brown eyeliner pencil. And then the Sephora cream lip stain in 45, aka chai latte, I think. Yeah, chai latte. And you're just going to line your lips, put the lipstick on, and then I'm going to make it glossy by using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. I'm going to use that to make it look glossy. So now I'm going to set my face with the BADESCU Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rosewater. Fancy. Make sure you dry it, girl. Alright guys, now I'm going to go change my clothes and I'll be right back.
Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. And I think of all the things what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. Said, do you not think so much? 'Cause I've been thinking about
Thank you guys so much for sticking with me on this long ass journey to get this makeup look. I'm in love with it, obviously, because I did it twice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Gang gang, we in here. CC gang, we in here. Is it CC gang or CECEFAM? It's CECEFAM, but I keep saying gang gang. So we're in here, CECEFAM. We're in here. I'm back. I never left, but I'm back with another video. So I know you missed me. But yeah, I have a playlist video that I'm about to film today. So I'm super excited for it, super lit, and yeah, I'm gonna get on out of here so I can go film that. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. If you like what I did, go ahead and subscribe, and I'm out.
thinking about you, yeah. Thinking about